Hi, I'm Kamna from Jamworks, and today I'd like to show you how Jamworks supports STEM students through every stage of the learning journey, preparing before lectures, capturing during lectures, and studying after lectures. STEM subjects often involve complex concepts, technical terminology, equations, derivations, calculations, and graphs. These can create additional barriers for students who experience difficulties with processing speed, working memory, attention, or note taking. So let's start with prepare. Before a lecture, a student can upload lengthy STEM-heavy reading materials and ask questions about the content they are about to learn. This allows them to build foundational understanding before they arrive in class. Students can explore unfamiliar terminology, clarify difficult concepts, gain confidence with complex topics, summarize lengthy documents, and annotate directly on their materials. This helps students arrive at lectures with a stronger understanding of the content and better prepares them to engage with the teaching. Moving into capture, students can record their lectures while uploading lecture slides at the same time and taking notes directly alongside them. Rather than focusing on producing perfect notes, students can concentrate on listening and understanding while making rough notes as needed. For example, they may simply note the name of a concept, theorem, equation, or formula, and later use Jamworks to fill in the missing details. This helps reduce cognitive load and allows students to engage more effectively with the teaching itself. Finally, we move into study. For students who prefer taking their own notes, enhanced notes work directly with the student's notes captured during the lecture. Any incomplete, unclear, or fragmented notes can be transformed into structured, easy-to-understand notes. If a student misses an equation, formula, diagram explanation, or technical concept, Jamworks can use the lecture recording to fill in the gaps and present the information clearly within the notes. This can be particularly beneficial for students who experience challenge with processing speed, working memory, attention, or written expression. For students who are unable to take comprehensive notes during teaching, Jamworks also generates key points automatically. These are organized topic-by-topic study notes based on everything covered during the lecture. Each topic includes a clear heading, detailed explanation, and supporting bullet points that break down complex concepts into manageable sections. For STEM subjects, equations, formulas, and technical content are captured accurately and presented within the relevant topic concept, ensuring students don't miss important mathematical or scientific information. All notes within Jamworks are timestamped and linked directly to the relevant point in the lecture recording. This means students can quickly return to the exact moment a concept, equation, derivation, or explanation that was discussed without having to search through the entire recording. Jamworks also generates concise topic summaries. These bite-sized explanations help students revisit complex material without having to re-watch an entire lecture. Wherever relevant, summaries will also include important formulas, equations, and technical explanations, helping students reconnect concepts efficiently during revision. Students can also ask questions directly about their uploaded lecture slides or lecture recording. This is particularly useful when working with formulas, graphs, diagrams, or calculations. Jamworks can explain equations step by step, clarify the meaning of individual symbols, and describe how a formula is being applied within the context of the lecture. This supports deeper conceptual understanding rather than simple memorization. Many STEM subjects also involve handwritten derivations, calculations, and board work. Students can upload photos of handwritten notes, whiteboards, or blackboard content and ask questions about them. If a derivation or calculation is unclear, Jamworks can break it down step by step and explain what each stage represents. This helps students revisit mathematical content more independently and with greater confidence. As I said, students can also ask questions about a lecture as a whole or about a specific topic within it. Because Jamworks works directly from the lecture recording, responses remain grounded in the student's own learning content, including technical explanations, equations, or subject-specific reasoning. To support active learning and knowledge retention, Jamworks also includes other personal tutor modes that can help students. One of these is QuizMe. QuizMe creates questions based on students' own lecture content and gradually increases in difficulty as the student progresses. Another useful mode is Simplify. This allows students to rewrite complex technical explanations into clearer, more accessible language while maintaining subject accuracy. This can be really helpful for students who find dense academic language overwhelming or difficult to process. Jamworks also automatically identifies important technical terminology from the lecture and generates a glossary. Definitions are based on the lecture content itself, helping students build understanding of subject-specific vocabulary without needing to search elsewhere. For revision, Jamworks generates flashcards from each lecture topic. Every flashcard includes a question, an answer, supporting explanation, and an audio snippet linked directly to the relevant section of the lecture recording. For STEM subjects, flashcards also include important formulas, equations, definitions, and technical concepts, supporting effective retrieval practice and structured revision. Overall, Jamworks supports STEM students by helping them prepare for learning before teaching begins, capture information effectively during lectures, and study more independently afterwards using their own course materials. By working directly from what was taught in class, Jamworks provides personalized study support and helps students develop understanding, confidence, and independence throughout their learning journey.